When it comes to using AI for research and white paper creation, two tools stand out: Perplexity Pro and Elicit. Both are designed to help researchers, writers, and professionals quickly gather, organize, and synthesize information. They promise to save time and make your workflow more efficient, but they each have unique strengths depending on how you work. Perplexity Pro is designed for fast, conversational research. It acts like an AI research assistant that can answer complex questions directly, summarize topics, and provide citations in a clear, readable format. The interface is clean and minimal, which makes it easy to ask questions and quickly get answers without distractions. It excels in synthesizing information from multiple sources in real time, so you can understand a topic without spending hours digging through papers or articles. Perplexity Pro is ideal if you want concise explanations, quick summaries, or the ability to explore related topics on the fly. Its conversational style makes research feel interactive, almost like talking to a knowledgeable colleague. Elicit, on the other hand, is built specifically for academic research and systematic reviews. It focuses on extracting structured information from scientific papers, preprints, and datasets. You can use it to generate literature reviews, compare study results, and even identify gaps in research. Its workflow is very methodical, letting you organize findings, track sources, and maintain a clear research trail. While it is less conversational than Perplexity Pro, it is incredibly powerful for white papers because it helps ensure that your content is accurate, well-cited, and backed by credible sources. Elicit also offers advanced filtering and sorting tools, which is a huge advantage when working with large volumes of academic literature. In terms of workflow, many users find Perplexity Pro more approachable for day-to-day research, while Elicit fits deeper, more formal projects. Both tools are excellent AI research assistants, but your choice depends on whether speed and conversational summaries matter more, or whether thorough, structured academic rigor is your top priority. Either way, both can significantly streamline the process of turning research into high-quality white papers, saving you hours and improving the quality of your work.